Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce, Coffee Bean Reviews. And I'm joined by my husband Rick, who yet again has a new t-shirt.
Yeah, this one's cool. This is Metallica.
Why?
If you have to ask, I don't have anything to say.
Hey, I really like Metallica.
Why not?
I don't know.
Well, it's a cool shot. It's actually from a poster for a concert in Helsinki, Finland from 2018. And I just thought it was really kind of a cool shout out to my Viking heritage. And yeah.
Yeah?
There you go. You got some cool stuff for us today.
Yeah, today slightly different than what we normally do, where we choose a company and we try a few of their roasts. Today we're just trying one roast, and that's from Jumping Bean Coffee, and they are located in
Newfoundland.
St. John's.
Newfoundland.
Yeah.
Yes, and cool little success story for that company. How the CEO and founder basically started doing some stuff for a fundraiser through the Rotary Club back there, and then landed up doing more and more. Now they've turned into quite the booming business. They've got franchise cafes, and they sell to Costco and all kinds of stuff. So they're doing really well. So congratulations to you folks. Way to go.
So the neat thing is, while we've been doing lots of West Coast coffees, so today we are trying their East Coast blend.
I feel like I need to have Justin Lavelle of our Vice Squad here with us, who's
a
good maritime boy from Nova Scotia there, so he's got that maritime accent going on.
Yes.
So shout out to you, Justin. This is, now folks, you know she set me up before with crazy stuff if you've been watching the series here. Never. So anytime I see stuff covered over and me not really knowing what's what, anxiety kicks in.
Really?
Because I'm looking at some of these are looking a little bit on the different side. Now this one here is interesting because it actually looks like it's separated. I've yet to experience that where whatever it is you've mixed with the coffee is, well, apart from the cinnamon, which wouldn't mix in, but okay, so that has me a little nervous. This one looks like gravy. I don't know. We'll have to see. This one, it's similar to the other one, a little bit lighter. It's actually separating a little bit. I don't know if you folks can see it or not. There's a little darker part at the top compared down there. And goodness only knows what this one is. Yeah, this one looks like it's a roast beef gravy, but anyways,
do you want to know what?
No, I don't want to know.
This is about?
Well, you can.
What do you think it's about?
Well, obviously different creamers or something you've done something to add.
Dairy alternatives. Dairy alternative.
Let's rock and roll. And then
okay.
This is sort of my sanctuary neutral ground here for what you're talking about.
I made that for you.
This is my latte with lactose reduced dairy, correct?
Correct. 3.25%.
Natural?
Correct.
And we have just a straight up pour over in the Wonder Woman mug.
Which we should start with first.
All right, I'll let you go first. Now I do see there's a bit of oil floating on the surface of this one. So see.
Didn't look all that oily to me.
No? Okay. Because there's a fair bit of oil on the top here. I'm actually quite surprised. Let's see what this is. Okay.
So it's a medium roast.
It's a strong flavor. It's bold. It's a very bold coffee. Has a smoky aftertaste to me. It actually, is this a medium or medium dark?
Nope, medium.
Really? Because it almost has notes of being...
I don't know, maybe read the bag.
Didn't you do that to start?
Yes. Woo. Dude.
Dudette. Let's see here. It's a medium... Yeah, a signature blend of medium roasted fair trade organic coffee. Pure aromatic and fruity, it is the ideal medium roast. Excellent depth of flavor, perfect for all taste palates.
Yeah.
Does it not taste a little bit darker to you? To me, it's...
It has sort of that dried fruit, plum.
Sure. Okay.
Like...
There is, I have to say, there is an element of almost like a dried candy fruit.
Yes.
Yeah, there is, and I can actually, it's more of an aftertaste to me, as if after you drink the coffee and you let your palate rest for a moment or two.
Yeah. It actually has a nice, almost like a dry wine aftertaste to me. Like when the finish, it's dry in the mouth. It doesn't have that super bitter. Okay, he wants to move on.
Well, you know, it's that whole thing. Like, do we take the Band-Aid off slowly or do we just rip it off? So, where are we going first?
We're going to go with this one first.
Okay, obviously needs to be stirred.
It does need to be stirred.
Wow, that really did separate a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
I'm hoping this is the best one, actually.
Oh, great.
Now you must know what that is.
Not my favorite.
Well, it's kind of the stuff you get at $5.
Not even close.
Yeah, it is.
Not even.
It's just there's no mocha sauce in there. It's a coconut something or other.
Yeah, it's coconut something or other, but...
Too much?
Yeah, no. No, it's all right.
It's almost like a dessert.
Yeah, but you know what? The first hit of flavor that I got off, it was really quite like strong and just did not like that at all.
It's okay. It's okay. There's no sweetener, no sugar or anything in it.
Wouldn't be my go-to, that's for sure. All right, next.
Maybe if we put
so let's
mocha
peel the
sauce.
label back and show what it is here. They're the towel. What do we got? Savoy coconut cream. Okay, so that explains why we're getting the. You can almost see like coconut fat floating in there. Do you see it at the top?
Oh yes.
Because we're using like a really thick cream. I don't know if you can see that there, folks. Let me try and tilt that to you a little bit. But that's like what you would. Okay, now you know what you've done. You made me want pad thai. I want pad thai. That's what you put in pad thai.
They even put coconut milk in pad thai?
I think so. Pretty darn sure.
The curries, they do.
Yeah. Well, either way, you know what? Now I want some sort of Szechuan or something.
Okay, let's try the second one.
All right. Oh, great spelling.
Kind of reminds me of an almond milk sort of aftertaste.
Very blasé. It really, I have to say that so far, both of these have negatively impacted the flavor of the coffee. Like,
okay, you want to see what this one is?
Yeah, what was that one?
Califia Farms.
Califia. Better half. Coconut cream and almond beverage. So you got to blend there. You got to blend between coconut and almond.
I'm tasting more the almond.
Yeah. Sorry, folks. In this coffee, it's not working. However, if you're vegan and you have to have gluten-free and kosher and carrageenan-free, this is your stuff.
It's not bad.
No, it ain't good. I'm sorry.
It's just...
I'm gonna call it as I see it.
Would I? No. Okay. Number 3. I hope this one's better.
Well, you said you thought that was going to be the best one. It makes me worry about it as we go farther along because it has not really improved at all. Wow, that's sweet. Did you add sweetener?
Well, it's already...
Or is it in this here?
It's built in.
Well, if you like sugar in your coffee...
that definitely sweetens it up. You get like the vanilla. You know, it's got that thick... Because they put oil. And that's the thing in all these, is the oil. And I think that sort of texture-y thing, it's so different from dairy fat.
Yeah, and again, I mean, as we can see, we've only been a few minutes into the segment, and look at this, it's separated again.
Yeah.
Right? So there's a lot of oil, like fats and stuff in there suspended. This one here, it's starting to separate. It'll take another couple minutes. What was this one here? Oh, silk. Really?
Hazelnut.
Okay. Yep. So silk, we actually use a lot of for their soy.
Yeah,
and
which
it's
is
good,
great.
right? So like the vanilla soy is really nice, or the plain. I've moved away a lot from having the sweetened sort of beverages, right? I'm preferring more just the straight up coffee. With the soy or whatever, a little hint of vanilla in it or whatever. But this is like, if you like something sweet, and this is probably a really good comparison you said, is that like even like the Tim Hortons where you're going to get like a French vanilla and that kind of, those where you buy those creamers that are like French vanilla flavored and whatever else.
So that's if you really like those things and you have to go dairy free or vegan,
that's out of the three, that one.
Yeah.
But for me, it's way too sweet. So you'd have to wait. Like, how much did you put in there?
Each of them, I put 2 tablespoons.
That's it? Really? Because I would have thought there was a lot more than that in there. So I would say probably for this one here, if you put even just like a teaspoon in there, or a teaspoon and a half, you'd probably have plenty for me. All right, number 4. Let's do this. Oh, man. It doesn't even look appealing to me.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. It's got a weird flavor to it too. I can't pinpoint what it is. Has a really weird aftertaste to it. What is it?
I'll tell you.
Silk again.
Vanilla. Coconut. But if you... Have we tried that one yet? No.
We're showing you what's available out there. My taste is not going to be what your taste is, and it's not going to be maybe what your taste is. But we're trying to show you, hey, here's some alternatives. For me, they don't really work. And you know that you're getting an honest opinion that it's like, no. And it's not meant to badmouth these companies, because I'm sure that, as far as their product goes, their product is a good quality product. It's just, it doesn't work for my taste buds mixing in with the coffee.
Well, I tried them without the coffee, like just sampled a little bit of each. And they're actually good on its own, like cold.
See, that's just heaven like that. I like my bowl of coffee.
Yeah.
It's, you know what, there's been times, honestly, I'm not kidding you, where I've down one and I'm going, okay, I need a second.
Why?
Because this one wasn't enough. I do like it, it's good. So
okay, I need some more.
So yeah, well listen folks, it gives you some idea of what's available out there for you. And again, you know what, this coffee though, I have to say the coffee is really good. The Jumping Bean Coffee, East Coast Roast. And the other thing that was kind of cool is they're low carbon. Like they were talking about some details on their website about how they reduce their carbon footprint and in their roasting techniques and stuff. So always great to see companies, sort of taking pride in their craft and helping the environment too.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for tuning in, folks. We hope you enjoyed this segment. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that reminder bell. We're going to have some contests coming up this week. We're going to be launching a giveaway, and it's going to be a really nice little sampler pack from Spirit Bear Coffee Company.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So details to be following here shortly.
And I like Spirit Bear.
Yeah, they're great. They're really good. And don't forget, visit our store at
Grounds for Divorce Coffee.ca. Grounds for Divorce Coffee.ca.
Oh man.
Tuning out, everybody. Ciao, ciao for now.
Take care.